Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Cipher YouTube channel. In this video, we will see what are the different operators in Python. What is the operator? Operators are used to perform operations on variable or value or objects. And then we have operand. The operation which we are going to perform on a variable is called as operand. Here is one example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, where 3 and 5 sorry 2 and 3's are called operand, and plus this symbol which we call as an operator. In Python we have different type of operators. Generally we use this first this selected operator. First we have arithmetic operator, then we have assignment, then we have comparison, then we have logical operator, then we have identity operator, then we have membership operator. So let's see. First of all, we will open our Python shell or IDLE. Then here we have arithmetic operators. First is a plus or addition. In arithmetic, just like this, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then we have minus operator, this. Then we have multiplication operator. We don't have like this in programming, or especially in C, C++, Java, or this Python. Instead of, we use star, and this we will get this one. Then we have double star, which is called as exponent or power operator. Then double star without any space. If we do space, then it will not work. So we have this exponential operator without space in between that. Then we have division operator slash. If we want to get floor division, then we use this double slash. We get this one. See the difference between these two. This is a double slash, this is a single slash, and see the output here, what we are getting. Then we have modulo operator. Modulo means reminder. This is what we will get as a reminder, 1. Now let's see one small project or small application of this all. In this we are going to text x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. Now print x plus y. We will write addition is equal to, and then this x plus y, or we can write z is equal to x plus y. We can write like this also, but for our convenience we are writing like this one. Now let's copy this. First of all, save it whatever we want, then using F5 or go to run and run module. Pressing F5, we will get this one. Addition is equal to this, subtraction is equal to this, multiplication this, division and floor division. We check the difference here, and this exponential and this modulo. These are the arithmetic operators in Python. Then we have the special use of this plus and star in other sequence type of variables like just hello, and I'm multiplying with 5. Then you will get this hello 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 5 times. The best use of this is here, or if you want to give a line, then you use this one. This is the use here. Then we have plus. Let's check hello plus word. It will concatenate, or we can do x is equal to hello, y is equal to with space word. Now x plus y, you will get hello world. You can store this into another variable x plus y. Now it is a hello world as a single string, and we have different uses of this. We can use as a to create a new list, or we can see its example in upcoming videos. Then we have assignment operators, which are used for assigning the values to the variable. Here are the examples. Let's check one by one. X is equal to 5. X, what is x now? 5. What we are doing here, we are assigning value 5 to the variable x. There. Now after that we have x is equal to x plus 1. What will be the output? Now x is the 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Now check x. Then this, we can, instead of writing that x plus 1 here, we can write directly what we want to add. If both are same here, we can write like this. Now check the x value. Here is x value is 6. Now we added 1. Now 7. This is a shorthand of this one. Both are equal. This and this two are equal. Like that, we have minus equal to. Then we have comparison operator. These are used to compare two values, and the result will be the boolean value, either true or false. Let's check. I'm giving x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, x is less than y is 10 is less than 20, true, is x is greater than y, 10 is greater than 20, false, is x equal to y, false, because x is 10 and y is 20. Then we have not equal to, that means x is not equal to y, is 10 is not equal to 20, true. Then we have less than equal to or greater than equal to. Let's check one example. 10 is less than equal to 11, true. 10 is less than equal to 10, true. 10 is less than equal to 9, false. Then we have greater than symbol, greater than equal to, greater than 20, true, greater than 90, true, greater than 21, false. These are the comparison operators. Then we have logical operators. They are used to combine conditional operators like and or not. Just check one example here. 10 is less than 20 and 20 is greater than 30, false. Why? In AND operation, if both are true, then it's true, or both are false, then it's false, or either one is false, then it's false. Then we have OR operator. In OR operation, if is either one condition is true, then both are true. If either one condition is true, both are true here. Not true, we will get false. Not false, we will get true value here. Then we have identity operator. These are used to check is given object is same as another object. If both objects are same, then it will show true, or else it will show false. We have x is y, false. X, let's check. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 10, x is y, true. Why this is? Because the integer values in Python are immutable. If the value is same or content is same, then instead of creating new variable, Python will use same variable. Now x is not y, false, because just check, 10 is 10, true, 20 is not 10, true, like this. We are using this is and is not operator to check the given objects are same or not. Then we have membership operator. Then we have membership operators like in, not in. It is used to check either given content or given value is present in given object or iterable object, especially. Let's check x is equal to hello world. Now check h is in x, true. Now check either z is it present in x, false. Now check h is in x, false, because this is a small case or lower case, this is a uppercase, so we are getting different values. Now h in not y, we will get not in y, x, we are getting true. Then we have bitwise operators. If you are Urdu or Hindi speaker, you may check our other channel, Urdu Virtual Academy. Thank you.